is Vatasta. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with yet another haul video because I don't know what else to make. Also, I have noticed that you guys clearly like my haul videos, so here I am again. Life has been crazy. We'll talk about that some other day, but I have been crazier. I have been shopping a lot last month because it was my birthday month. So yeah, I shopped. Okay, I spent my money. Urbanic is one site that I hardly ever order from. This is like my third order from Urbanic because I absolutely hate how late they are. They deliver in my area in a month, and जब तक that parcel reaches me, मेरी सारी excitement चली जाती है, सारी खुशियाँ चली जाती है. मुझे याद भी नहीं होता कि मैंने क्या मंगवाया, and you know the excitement, it's just not there. And मुझे इतना ज़्यादा wait करना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, इसलिए I do not shop from Urbanic. But this time I was kind of desperate for getting like a birthday dress and everything. I trusted Urbanic to send me my birthday dress on time, and spoiler alert, they did not. Obviously, they ditched me, but I had backup dresses. So that's like my only issue with Urbanic so far. I'm sorry, I am obsessed with my hair. Alright, enough of talking. Let's start the video. First of all, I kept all my clothes in this bag. This bag is also from Urbanic. Surprisingly, Urbanic के bags are of really good quality. मैंने एक ही मंगवाया to check the quality and stuff. And I love tote bags. Like, they are so convenient and stylish. I just love them. I have plenty of them and I ordered again. And Urbanic has so many great designs. It has great quality, and the cloth is really good quality. Trust me, it's like so good. I did not expect this, but this is a very minimalistic, simple bag. Let me check the price. I am not prepared for this video. Okay, I got this in 454 rupees. This is a good price to pay for a thela. इसमें से जो भी निकलेगा उसका मैं review दूंगी. The first thing I got is this half sleeve button up shirt. I am really obsessed with button up shirts recently. I don't know why. Just crop top and a button up shirt. I think that's a very chic look. I am obsessed with that. But the print is great. This is in size L and I got it for 958 rupees. मैंने size L इसलिए मंगवाया because I didn't want the shirt to be fitted and stuff, and the loose pattern of the shirt looks really cool, but I think this is a little bit long, but I can work with it. It's like the dripping material, like cotton थोड़ा stiff हो जाता है, but this material just falls down, so you know what I mean. The button quality is also great. It's not like they're falling or anything. I just wish the buttons were of a different color because they're like white. If they were of any other color present on the shirt, it would have been cuter. This maroon and cream color combination is so cute. I like. My next item is also a shirt. The material and everything is exactly same. I got this in 692. If I'm being really honest with you, I kind of don't like it. Let me know in the comments if you think this shirt is cute. I just don't think it is. So it has like little spray paint graffiti kind of, which says love with you or something. It's very long, but it's the same purpose as the previous shirt. I got it exactly for the same reason. I just kind of want to return it. This wale shirt ko to I can style in different ways. I really don't know what to do with this. I'm so bad at styling. It kind of looks like a doctor's coat, I don't know. And it has this weird cutout where the back side is a little longer than the front side. I have no idea why that is. But the great thing about this is that this is white and you can wear literally anything inside it. The next item is this pullover blouse. It's kind of a shrug. Do you know what shrugs are? When I was a young girl, we had a lot of shrugs. I kind of got deceived by the pictures. On the pictures, I thought it's like a full-on blouse thing. You have to wear it on something because it's open. It has a very deep neck, so I literally cannot wear it without anything. And it has just one string, and rest everything is open. I got this for 911 rupees, which I think is a little pricey. It looks like it should be max 500. I think the quality is a little bit different than what is shown in the pictures. In the pictures, it looked like it has mesh wala kapda, but it's cotton polyester mix. Honestly speaking, I think it's really cute. Without lying, I'm telling you, the dripping sleeves and flary bottom. Next item is this tank top, baby tee, crop top kind of stuff that I'm already wearing. I'm collecting these like Pokemon. Anyway, so this one has a print. The this is a very common print of that Michelangelo painting of the God and human hand connection thing, and it's white. It's really cute. It's in the size small and I got it for 364 rupees. The print is great. It's really good quality, to be honest. I think since my last purchase, Urbanic has improved the quality of the clothes a lot. Like, I literally can feel the clothes are of better quality than before. They were not bad, but this is better. Summer is about to end in like a month or something, and I am stupid enough that I ordered all these summer clothes. Okay, now this cute top, like look at this, so adorable. This is fake wool or whatever. It has cherries on it. I love cherries, and I think bright colors really complement my complexion. It has this little jolly in the bottom. It's not exactly a crop top, but it's smaller. I got this for 455 rupees. They had it in like a lot of colors. The cherries are embroidered on it, and it's a really good quality, like embroidery and everything, plus the color is so bright. I think it's a very cute top. Yay! Next top is so stupid of me to have bought, but I really wanted it for, you know, creating a specific look I had in mind. So this is the top I got. It's so kinky.
Wait a minute.
Cute is the word. It's like a Barbie-ish top. Doesn't have adjustable straps. It's also made of woolen polyester thing, like the machines to crochet or something. This is one of the purchases I really regret. Like, I need your opinion if I should keep it or return, because I'm not too sure about it. The size is small, by the way. I'm just scared if this fur will lose its fluffiness. After some time, furs become matted. They're not this soft. I don't know, so I'm not sure what will happen with this. I'm again in my Barbiecore era, and that's why I got this another top which looks like Barbie would wear when she goes to play lawn tennis. This is a halter neck top, once again made of that crochet wool thing, and it says I'm sorry, I can't read. I don't know what it is. The color combination is chef's kiss. It's pastel yellow and pink, which is really lovely combination. It has a little belt. I have no idea what's the purpose. It's a free size, so literally anyone can wear it, but I think excess size girl should not get it because there's a lot of gap between the bag and collar. But this is cute for, you know, filming videos and stuff. Do you like it? Last one is a dress that I ordered for my birthday. Here it is. The quality is wow. This dress is for 1100 rupees. I think it shouldn't be more than 700-800. I don't know what it is. Silk from the outside, but we all know it's just polyester. But you like it better. Wish I had that. I've ordered dresses from Urbanic twice, and I've ordered them in size M, but the problem is from the top, make it drop. That's so bad. Sorry, this is not a song association game. This is very loose from the chest area, and I don't know what to do with it because I really like it. I know small size will not fit me from the bottom, like it will no. Theme of my birthday this month was just pink. I had so many pink dresses. I have to return some of them. This was something I was really anticipating, and I'm glad it didn't come because it didn't fit me properly. I will think about it. I like it, but at what cost? Lately I'm obsessed with anything butterfly related. I don't know if it's coincidence or anything. Everything that I like or I purchase somehow is related to butterflies. So I ordered some accessories and I'm gonna talk about them. Hold on. So first I got these hair clips. It's a set of 4 butterflies. 3 are crystal whitish and the 4th one is a little bit darker. Okay, this one literally broke in my hands. It's just glue, so I can probably fix it. I wanted to say the quality is so good, but this just happened, so okay, I don't want to lie to you. Plastic quality is great. The glue is not so great. Cute. This is so cute. This is giving Olivia Rodrigo. I love it. This is so cottage core, butterfly core, insect core. I love it except for the glue. Urbanic, please fix your jewelry section. Urbanic has great designs for jewelry. I have no idea if it's original or, you know. These hair clips are 176 rupees for a pair of 2. Then I got this heart pendant. It's just this little heart here. So tiny you can't can't even see it. Got this necklace for 92 rupees, which again is a high amount of price to pay. This should be like 50, but I'm gonna show you why I got it. So minimalist. See, it's so cute. It's gold plated, very pretty. I will not lie to you and say the quality is amazing, because I know their color will fade in some time. You should wear them as much as you can and keep it inside like a box or something. The discoloration of these things is inevitable. I'm sorry. If you're paying like 100 bucks, you better wear the shit out of this. Next part are these really pretty statement earrings. Very common design, but I wanted them ASAP for my birthday. It didn't show up. What? बहुत खूबसूरत हो. I think I've seen this design 1500 times. It's like timeless. I got these for 455. Okay, मैं बार बोल रही हूँ, but I just want to say once and for all, Urbanic has their jewelry prices at a very high margin, and these you can get at Hillroad or something for literally less than half the price, and the quality is also not too great. It's just like any other artificial jewelry that you will get on the roadside. Now last set is this set of earrings, which is also butterfly earrings. It has 3 sets, one with white ring and a butterfly, this one just blue rings, and this one just white butterflies. They are metal, but they are covered in plastic or something. They won't tarnish, but the paint may wear off, or depends on how I handle it. And these are my favorites because you know, throw them up with any casual outfit, especially these little white butterflies. I also got these for 455, so for 3 I think it's a okay price. Alright you guys, I am done with my haul. I am sweating. Let me know what item or cloth you like the best, or if I should return anything, or did you like not like something. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you next time real soon. Take care. Bye.